How to launch a digital product business review. When you get our PLR package, expect to receive the best. How to launch a digital product business is a full series of digital product launching system. Do you know really how to launch a digital product business? We are here to provide you a whole unique technique and method that's help you for launch the digital product business. Just a moment, you will look forward our how to launch a digital product business, optimal opportunity and best technique. We include our how to a digital product business. I made sure it's a product I would be proud to release and sell myself. So my team and I have gone the extra mile and put 110 into this product. How to launch a digital product business review. How to launch a digital product business. How to launch a digital product business reviews. Get how to launch a digital product business download. How to launch a digital product business. How to launch a digital product business gold pack. How to launch a digital product business gold 5 module special. How to launch a digital product business PLR package. How to launch a digital product business gold pack bonuses. How to launch a digital product